Assalamu alaikum to all the viewers of my mama's YouTube channel. Look, we got a new iPhone 15 Pro Max and it's just an amazing experience for us. Let's open it. Just look at the natural titanium. It looks amazing. Our main focus is on camera features because my mama uses it to capture amazing videos. As you all know, iPhone 15 has been introduced with a C-type charging pin. This is just fantastic. You get a cable. It has a C-type pin. And you need to buy an extra adapter of 20 watts. Let's start it now. You can open the phone one by setting the password and the other by Face ID. It also has an action button. You can use it to turn on silent mode, flash, and even camera. This is the feature of camera. This is a view from my balcony. This is 1x. Now we are zooming into 2x. This is 5x. Even if you zoom in this far, it's so clear. And now this is the camera video feature. It really helps my mama to make an amazing videos so that all her viewers get a realistic view of all the ingredients and yummy food. Dil se thank you for all those who have subscribed to my mama's channel and humble request for those who haven't subscribed yet. Please do subscribe to Desi Bytes in Canada and share among your family and friends. Thank you.